Take a look at this 2007 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.